I-beam is used in the construction of roofs, buildings, and bridges. It gets its name because it is shaped like a capital letter I. If your job was to find the amount of steel needed to make an I-beam, it helps to know how to find the volume of a figure. Volume is a measure of the space inside a three-dimensional figure. Volume is measured in cubic units. A unit cube is 1 unit long, 1 unit wide, and 1 unit high. How many cubic units do you think will fit inside the figure? Drag unit cubes into the figure to find out. Unit cubes fit inside, so the volume of the figure is 8 cubic units. Since it is not always convenient to fill a figure with unit cubes, it is helpful to know the volume formulas for some figures. A rectangular prism is a solid figure in which all 6 faces are rectangles. We will call the bottom face the base. Place unit cubes along the length of the base, and notice that 4 unit cubes fit along a base that is 4 units long. Now place rows of 4 unit cubes along the width of the base, and notice that 3 rows of unit cubes fit along a width that is 3 units wide. Finally, place layers of 12 unit cubes along the height, and notice that 5 layers of unit cubes fit along the height that is 5 units high. It takes 5 layers of 3 rows of 4 units cubes to fill the figure. So the volume of the figure is 4 times 3 times 5, or 60 units cubed. So to find the volume of any rectangular prism, just multiply the length and the width and the height. Notice that the number of cubes that cover the base is equal to the area of the base. So another formula is base times height. What do you think is the volume of the figure below? The volume is 16 cubic units because 16 unit cubes fit inside the figure. What do you think the volume would be if the prism was rotated and a different face became the base? The volumes are the same. Recall that the associative property states that the order in which numbers are grouped does not change their product. Now back to the problem of finding the amount of steel needed to make the I-beam. Sometimes you can break a complex figure into simpler figures having volumes that you know how to find. The volume of each of these pieces is found by multiplying the length by the width by the height.